Hello! So today I am going to go over a Depop haul I've had. This is actually from a few months ago, and when I bought this stuff I didn't intend on making a video, but it just kind of worked out to where I thought it would be kind of interesting. So first I'll go ahead and explain what Depop is. So Depop is like an app that you can search for used clothing. It's usually, sorry, my dog's scratching at the door. There's kind of a big variety, a lot of new stuff. You can find some vintage things, all sorts of clothing. I sell clothing on there. It's a good way to get rid of stuff that people would buy, like band shirts and stuff like that, that otherwise you might not be able to get rid of. It's pretty user-friendly and stuff too. Obviously this isn't sponsored. They wouldn't sponsor me. I don't have a following on here. But yeah, so I've been using Depop since about 2016, and I've sold, I think, like over 100 items, something like that. Just over the course of the few years. I sell my stuff for pretty cheap. Just it's stuff that I am looking to get rid of, to clear out my closet, stuff that doesn't fit me, stuff I just don't like anymore, stuff that like I thought I would like when I bought it, whatever. And so this past summer, early fall, I cleaned out my closet. I realized there's a lot of stuff doesn't even fit me anymore, and that will probably never fit me again. Just, it's too small. So I cleaned out my closet, and the past few times I've listed and sold stuff on Depop, I just, let the money go into my account, and then, that goes towards whatever I don't even know what it goes towards, bills, expenses, whatever. And this time I decided I really want to get new clothes, and I get kind of stressed out spending a lot of money, so I decided since I'm selling stuff, it'll just cancel each other out if I buy new stuff with the money that I earned. So I did that. So we'll go ahead and go over what I sold. So I sold some Levi pants. I really love these pants, but they didn't fit me anymore. The thing I didn't really like about them too is that they're low rise, and I kind of like high rise pants, but I did really like those pants, they just don't fit me, so I sold those. And also, I'm just going to go over what I listed them for, and then I'll kind of give you a cost breakdown of like one of the items. So these Levi pants, for example, I sold them for $30. Depop takes 10%, so that's $3. So I got $27, and then PayPal took $1.36, so I got $25.64. I'll go over what I sold each of these items for, and then at the end I'll just give you the total of everything, and then what the fees were for everything, PayPal and Depop combined, and then the total after that. Oh, and then Depop, one thing I like about it as far as selling wise is that, so when you pick the ship with Depop option, it charges the customer the shipping based on the size package, which it goes on weight. So like, shoes are going to be more expensive than like a small top or bandana or whatever. And then they get charged that, and they don't take a cut of the money, because some sites, they'll take like a cut of your shipping fee as well, like, which is what Depop used to do. Like, say, for example, I sold these pants. Oh no, that truck is. So say you sold the pants for $30, they take 10% of the 30, but they used to also take 10% of the shipping. So say you charge $5 for shipping, they are also going to take 10% of that $5. So it's a lot better now that they don't do that. Or that you have the option to, and then they send you a label, which is nice, because I have a label printer, so I just print that out, slap it on the package, good to go. So you don't have to wait in line at the post office. Yeah, okay, so moving on. So next item I sold was an anti-Nowhere League shirt that I had DIY'd the back blue, so the anti-Nowhere League shirt, I cut out the logo and put it on a blue shirt, and I don't know, it's the shirt. I sold that for $12. I sold this Royal Bones top for $15. These faux leather current mood pants, which I got these off Depop. They fit for a little while, but they are not that great quality. They're shitty Dolls Kill pants, which I didn't know at the time. I sold those for $50, which is actually what I paid for. I sold a ring for $4.25. This Destroy Poserton shirt for $12. Royal Bones skirt for $13. Some Trip faux leather red pants for $18. American Apparel disco pants for $10. Attic shirt for $11. Who Killed Spikey jacket shirt for $12, which I also DIY'd that. A Flyer shirt and a GBH shirt to combine at $23. And then that was over the course of, I think, a month or something. Maybe I'll put it at the bottom. That's something I forgot to look up. But so in total, I sold $206.29 worth of items, and with the fees totaled to $32.31. And then after fees, that gave me $173.98 for those 13 items. I really don't buy, or at least lately I haven't, maybe the past few years I haven't really been buying clothes. I'm really picky. I just know that, like, I don't know, it has to be the right thing to catch my eye, I guess, or I don't know, the right fit. I'm pretty particular, I think, and these things, I guess I did see them come up, and some, like, it took me a while. I'm like, alright, we'll go for it. I try to, like, think about it, because I try to not impulse buy, because I try to make sure that I know that's like, okay, I don't just like it and I'll never wear it type thing. So, but anyways, so the first thing that I bought, I'm sorry if I sound like I'm farting, this chair is kind of squeaky. The first thing that I bought was this multicolored square shirt. Looks like this. I like it. It's too big and I need to take it in. This was $24.80 is what I paid with shipping. It's from a seller, Mad Sweet. And it's kind of like, it's a cute top. It's like kind of flowy sheer, but I'm going to take it in and make the sleeves not so baggy. I think that'll look better on me anyways. And yeah, it's size medium. The brand is Pembroke Lane. So it was $30 originally, dropped down to $21. And yeah, so that's that. I like it. And I got these. Next I got these acid wash jeans, which I think are pretty cool. They're like a nice gray color. There's this brand, and they're really high-waisted too. I really like them. They're cinched really tight in the waist. The only thing I don't like is that they're really baggy at the knee, so I might take them in a little bit there, but otherwise the fit is so good. They still smell like cigarettes. So when I first got these in the mail, they mostly smell like just like a, old thrift store kind of smell, and then I washed them, and now they just smell like straight cigarettes. I washed them in vinegar, but I don't think I used enough vinegar, or vinegar and baking soda, and I don't think I did it long enough or enough of either of those two things, because they still stink. So I'll probably do that one more time, and because they don't smell as bad, they used to smell like straight up ashtray, and now they're not as bad. Oh man, my neighbor just came home and I'm pretty sure you can see me. But anyways, the funny thing about these jeans too, these pure jeans, I saw some at this local thrift or vintage store, vintage mall, and I love them, but they are too small for me. I think the size I tried on in the store was like a 7, which is like, or a 9 or something? I don't know. But they were like just barely too small, like squeezing my guts out. Terrible. These ones are 11, which seem like they'd be too big for me, but they actually fit perfect. So yeah, these, really nice. I like them. But yeah, hopefully I'll get the cigarette smell out. They're from the seller's name was Rebel Soul Collective. I got those for $58 with shipping. And I'm not sure what the original cost was, but I asked to go to $45 and the seller said they would go to $50 plus shipping, so I agreed to that. Oh, and the other thing about those pants too I forgot to mention is that they were dead stock, so they still have the tag. So it's pure jeans wear, size 11, or what is that? A great feeling, machine wash cold, water, do not use bleach, must hang to dry, wash separate. Then we got this really cute floral long sleeve shirt. So this is the front. I do need to repair it a little bit. It's like a turtleneck and it has this very cute little keyhole right here and long sleeve. It's kind of like a weird feeling polyester material. Has a zipper that goes down in the back, but it's super cute. I love the colors on this. Polka dots and the floral. I really like it. Oh, and it also came with these earrings that I'm wearing right now, if you can see those. And that's from Wild Planet Vintage. And then that floral shirt was originally $45 plus shipping, and the seller dropped that by $10, which I follow her on Instagram is how I found that seller. So the next item I got is this gorgeous bright green, little frills here at the bottom, dress. So it's kind of like a high neck, has some frills on the high neck. It comes with a belt. Whoops. This belt, which is really cute, so it's detachable. The belt says Vanity Fair 257. It's like leather on the inside of the belt here. And then it has like just like a simple little belt thing. The dress itself, it has the zipper in the back with a little hook. The brand is Maud Chapman, Winnipeg, 100% polyester. And I got this from the seller Jasmine Narvosa, which I also follow her on Instagram, which is how I saw this. And this was $52 Canadian is what I paid total. And USD that came out to $40.65, so really not a bad deal for this dress. And with a belt that I can use with multiple things. And then, so this last item, I actually got this at a local kind of vintage store called Joe and June. They sell like, I wouldn't even call it a vintage store so much as they sell a lot of like natural products. It's kind of like a boho hippie store. But I really, really like this scarf. I got this for, I think it was $12, and with tax, it was $13.02. And it's a, I don't know, I'm not a huge like scarf connoisseur, but when I was looking for scarves online, this Vera brand, I kept seeing it everywhere, and they tend to go for a lot of money, so I think I got a steal on this. It's really cute. It's really long. I like it. I think I want to say there's a tag on there somewhere. There's a tag. Okay, yeah, so the tag says 60% round, 40% silk, made in Japan. It does have one little tear, so but that's not the end of the world, but it's still really cute. So everything combined totaled to $175.47. So I ended up being over by $1.49, which I don't think is too bad. I bought what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 items, but you know, that's the way it goes. Hopefully I'll love these, get some good wear out of them. I mean, a lot of the other stuff that I sold, I got some good wear out of too. But yeah, that's today's video. I hope you liked it. And